The world is in turmoil. Bad energy is building up. Fear is rising. Hate rages. Madness strikes at civilization. People are losing their way. Stop. Now, take a deep breath. And relax. The other is not the enemy. Your own fear is. The enemy you are fighting, it is within you. And the first to suffer from your hate is yourself. Just like you, the other is seeking happiness in their life. We forget that. Just like you, the other is trying to avoid suffering in their life. We forget that. Just like you, the other has known sadness, loneliness, and despair. We forget that. Just like you, the other is seeking to fill their needs. We forget that. Just like you, the other is only learning about life. We forget that. Just like you, the other is longing to be loved. We forget that too. How can we forget that? You have a heart, so use it. Life with Yogiji is an independent program made by my creator, this Mark Steinmetz fellow. So, do you like our movies? Do you want to see many more of them? And are you curious how they are made? Then visit us on Patreon. That is a crowdfunding thing for artists. Go to patreon.com/lifewithyogiji and become a patron. That will cost you little, and you will get to see all kinds of extra footage in return. Your contribution will be much appreciated. You can also subscribe to our newsletter for free. Follow the link below this video. Thank you for watching. And, as always, enjoy the drama.